Hi, my name is Lumonetic. Today I will show you a 600 film series camera from Polaroid. Most of these cameras look very similar like this and they have little differences, but this one is very different. It's a Tasmanian Devil cam from Looney Tunes, and the Tasmanian Devil whirls through the world and just want to eat the Bugs Bunny, but this time we just will have a look inside this box. This box is new old from stock from 1999, built just for a short period for collectors and children. I'm the second one, and just have a look inside this box. On the front side they wrote for ages 8 and older. Okay. On the left side, cool Looney Tunes border appears on each photo. That's so great. Have a look at this. It's not the paper frame, it's inside the photo. And on the back side, easy to use, just point and shoot, automatic flash, limited warranty with exclusions, see inside for details. Okay, I think this is because children's play with it. And the last one, drawn it with pencil, pens, whatever. Oh, good idea to sell some pictures. Film sold separately. Oh my, I hope there's one inside the box. Now it's really time to open it. Away with the films. Just have a look inside. Here you can see it's sealed. And I tried to open it on the other side. It's not so easy. But now, come on Monkey Cam, just have a look inside. Oh, oh, oh yes, that looks so great. So nice. Awesome. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. And there's no film inside, but instruction manual. Okay. And what's that? It's a production code. Production code from 1st December 99 and the time. Now have a look to the camera itself. Come out here. Away with that. Yes, that's the Tasmanian Devil. Just have a look inside his mouth. Never put a finger inside this mouse. Okay, everything back to its positions. I'm German. Okay, this is the 600 film camera quick start guide. But who needs one? Bam bam, the Taz Cam. Okay, rock and rotate. I believe a brown or black back end of the viewfinder would be better. A really nice yellow strap. And this little window is a film counter. Here you can open the film door. And this is the biggest shutter release I've ever seen with a red dot. Whoa, it says open the mouse. And there's the flash, normal for a 600 series camera. And here is a little LED to show us that the flash is loaded. If you don't need the flash, there's a smaller shutter release behind the big red one. This is where the photo comes out, the light and darker switch, the plastic lens, the front side of the viewfinder and the magic eye. This is classic white frame and that colored, and I think a black and white film is not needed for a children's camera. It's a little bit tricky, and this is the film box with the manual, and there's written how to make great photos again. But how should I insert? Okay, it's written on the top in this direction. And stop, what kind of film? Yes, a 600 film. And now the cover shield comes out. Now you have seen this nice camera. Rah, rah, rah. Let's make a photo with it. Oh, have a look to this photo. Sometimes it should be better to read the user manual to know the right distance and the right lights. Taz tells you to subscribe this channel. Or watch another great video.